Hello ma'am, my name is Alana Singh. I study in Jamna Bhai Nursery School, grade 1B. Today I will tell you clothing we wear in different seasons. We wear different kind of cloth in different seasons. Clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. Clothes are made up of different materials. In India, there are three main seasons. Their names are summer season, monsoon and winter season. Summer season. In summer season, we feel very hot, so we wear cotton cloth. And cotton is a natural fabric. It keeps us cool. We get cotton from cotton plant. Some examples of cotton cloths are cotton pant, cotton t-shirt, cotton shorts and cotton frock. Winter season. In winter season, we feel very cold, so we wear woolen clothes and we get wool from sheep. Wool keeps us warm in winter season. Some examples of woolen clothes are woolen pant, sweater, woolen cap and jacket. Now my favorite season, monsoon. During rainy season, we wear clothes such as umbrella, raincoat, rain pant and gumboot. These type of materials are made from synthetic materials, and these synthetic materials don't absorb water, so it protects us from getting wet. Thank you.